Chris Hemsworth turned 39 on Thursday and marked the milestone with an adorable childhood throwback where he's frankly unrecognizable. Taking to Instagram on Friday, the Hollywood star shared a photo of himself as a young boy in a charming Batman costume. The little boy in the photos is barely recognizable as the muscular movie star we know today, but there's no denying his twin sons Sasha and Tristan look a lot like Chris did as a child. The photo instead showed Liam and their other brother, Luke Hemsworth, wrestling under a waterfall, leaving Chris out of his own birthday tribute entirely. And it looks like a sense of humor runs in the family, because Luke decided to make fun of brother Chris in his birthday post this year too. We've traded a few good whacks, slaps, kicks, and headbutts. But honestly and simply, I love you, bro. Happy birthday to my favorite parrot trainer, kids handler and wife tamer, she captioned it.